Okay, students and families, it's time for the towel flip challenge. You need one towel and open space. Once you have your towel, you are going to lay it flat on the floor and you're going to stand on your towel. You cannot get off your towel at any time. I am going to be flipping my towel over without getting off my towel. Every time I can flip my towel, I score 1 point. My 1 minute timer is ready. Teacher's round is first.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
One.
Towel must be completely flat to score a point.
Two.
You cannot touch the floor.
Three.
During the towel flip challenge, the teacher scored 3 points. Students and families, please get your towel ready. Please lay it flat on the floor. Good luck. Your 1 minute timer awaits you.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.